In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the rear of the vehicle. After you raised and supported the vehicle safely, your rear sway bar link has an 18mm nut and a 19mm bolt. You can use a wrench by holding the bolt while removing the nut. Now you can do the same to the top. Now you can remove your sway bar link. Take your new sway bar link and slide it in the two holes and install your nuts. And tighten both of them down. Then you want to torque your two nuts to 29 foot-pounds. After you're done, take your vehicle for a road test, listen for any funny noises. And if you don't hear any funny noises, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.